Hey, in front of me is Poco M5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, go into Devices settings. After that, you need to scroll down and tap on Display section. Then scroll down again and choose Text Size. Finally, you need to click on this dot over here and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust your font size. You can see a preview over here. When you're ready, click on the back button and as you can see after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!